So we have to expand 1 upon y plus 4 into 1 upon y minus 9. How do we do that? We use a formula. The formula is x plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b the whole x plus ab. Okay, but does this actually make sense, or is it just some gibberish written by a mathematician or some weirdo? Let me tell you, it totally makes sense. So if you want to satisfy your soul, literally satisfy your soul and just your curiosity, you can click on the I button and watch the video to know how it makes sense. This formula makes sense. Now, okay, we know how this makes sense, but does this actually have any relationship with the question itself? Does it? Okay, let's see a pattern here. This x right over here, it's repeated twice in the left hand side of this formula, okay? And in both the places, it's in the first position in both the brackets. Can we see that? X plus a into x plus b. This is the first bracket, and in this also it's in the first position, and in the second bracket also it's in the first position only. So what? So similarly, 1 upon y is repeated twice, and in both the places it's been repeated, it is in the first position, just like our friend x. So we can say that x is equal to 1 upon y. So let's write that. Let's take a different color. X equals to 1 upon y. Okay, so now we know that x equals to 1 upon y, but what about the rest of the variables in the formula a and b? What about them? Okay, let's see what about them. Now a is in the second position of the first bracket. We can see that a is in the second position of the first bracket. What's in the second position of the first bracket? It's 4. So we can say that a is equal to 4, and we can also say that b, which is in the second place of the second bracket, is equal to -9. Yeah, let's write that. B equals to -9. Okay, now we know the formula and we know the values, but is it gonna help us solve to expand the question? Is it? Maybe. Let's see. You'll understand that once we do the third step. Now what's the third step? The third step is rewriting the formula. Yeah, it's that easy, but with a little twist. We will rewrite the formula, yes, but we will use the values that we found out just now, that we identified right now. So rewriting the formula, x plus a. Now what is x equal to? It is 1 upon y. So we'll write 1 upon y. What is up with my handwriting? Okay, 1 upon y plus a. Now a is 4, so we'll write 1 upon y plus 4. Now x plus a is done. Let's not look at it. Now x plus b. What is x? X is 1 upon y, as we can see. Let's write 1 upon y plus b. X plus b, and b is -9. So we know when negative and positive are together, it is always the minus sign. So let's erase the positive and write the -9, which is equal to, we have done these. Okay, let's not make a mess over here. I'll erase. Yeah, okay. So this is done. Now we move on to the right hand side of the equation, which is x square plus a plus b the whole x plus ab. Okay, now what is first we'll write x square. What is x? It is 1 upon y, so we'll write 1 upon y the whole square equals to 1 upon y the whole square plus a plus b the whole x. Now what is a? A is 4 and b is negative 9. So we'll write 4 plus negative 9. Let me just write that neatly. 4 plus negative 9 the whole x. Yeah, but x is equal to 1 upon y. So we'll write 1 upon y. Now lastly, AB. What does AB mean? It basically means A into B. What is A? A is 4 and B is negative 9. So we'll write 4 into negative 9. So that's it. That's the answer. No, we have to solve all these that we just wrote. We can't just leave it over here. No. Now this square is outside the bracket of this value. Yeah. What does that mean? It implies that the square belongs to both the values, which are 1 and y. So what is 1's square? 1 square is 1 into 1. Yeah. And 1 ones are 1. So 1 square is done. Now the square also belongs to y, right? Now what is y square? It is y into y, and that is y square only. Yeah. Now this is our answer. 1 and y square, 1 upon y square. So let's write that answer in its place. This is equal to 1 upon y square. No need to add bracket now because we don't have anything else to write with it. Now we have to solve this. So 4 plus negative 9. Plus and minus together, as I had mentioned earlier, they are always minus, right? Now 4 minus 9 into 1 upon y. So 4 minus 9 will be negative 5 into 1 upon y, which will be negative 5 upon y. So let's write this answer over here. Okay, over here. Sorry. What was it? Negative 5 upon y. Now we are done with this, and the last thing that's remaining is positive 4 into negative 9. Now this is a positive multiplied by a negative. So a positive multiplied by a negative will always be a negative. So the product will always be a negative. So 4 multiplied by 9 is 36. But because the 9 is negative, the answer will be negative 36. Okay. Let's write negative 36 here. So that's our answer. And if for some reason you did not, for some reason being because you did not want to stop this one video because you just wanted the answer to this sum, so because of that you did not watch how this formula makes sense, and you are very valid because I would do the same. So you can just click on the left video for that and satisfy your curiosity now. And if you have watched the video and you came back because you wanted the answer, you can go to my channel, click on the right icon, my channel's icon, and you can go through the playlist where I solve all the sums of practice set 5.1 of class 8 chapter 5, which is expansion formulae, because there are many formulas. Formulae, I mean, that's the plural, right? So yeah, you can go there and watch the previous videos I made.